Hey Pash fam, my name is Abby and I'm here to help teach you everything you need to know to get started with your digital weekly annual planner. Now how this video is going to be set up is I'm going to show you all of the different layouts within the planner itself, and I'm also going to point out some brand new features in this 2.0 version of our weekly annual planner. At the end of this video, I'm also going to show you a quick time lapse of what planning in this planner could actually look like. So I will be demonstrating in the weekly 2021 half annual planner. This has the months of August through December 2021 in it. This comes as a bonus if you purchase the weekly 2022 annual planner, but just know that this is also available to purchase separately. Say if you just want to try out these planners, if you're not sure about them yet, you can buy these at a discounted price. So for this demonstration, I'll be using the iPad, the Apple Pencil, and the app GOODNOTES. Our digital planner files are essentially PDF files which you are editing on top of. So this means that they are compatible with other devices and most PDF editing apps, so long as the app you're using allows you to activate the hyperlinks throughout the planner. I mention this because our digital planner files are the same no matter what app you choose to use. However, any limitations in functionality will be due to the apps or devices themselves, so we do recommend that you do your homework when deciding which device or app to use. In our opinion, Apple or iOS products offer the best digital planning experience, but if you would like to see a list of other recommended apps and devices that are compatible with our files, you could head on over to our website. So let's go ahead and get started. First off, our planner covers. So we are back with the classic Elite Black planner cover here, but we also have the Sakura Melody, the Serpent Spring, and the Space of Infinite Possibility. So if you had our 1.0 version, you'll notice that with the 2.0, we've actually cropped the covers so they look nice and neat in your apps library. Another new feature is I am in my read-only mode to activate those hyperlinks I was talking about. If I click on the top right corner of the cover, it will take me to the back of my planner. Here you can decorate your planner, and then no matter which page I'm on, if I tap on the top left corner, this will lead me to the front cover of my planner. But let's go ahead and open this up now. First things first, our passion roadmap. Now, this is a place for you to plan out your short and long-term goals. We do recommend you do this before getting into your planner because we know how easy it is to just kind of get wrapped up in checking off all of those to-do lists and not really feeling like you're moving towards something. So goal setting is a big part of this planner. We also have an exercise for you to do to pick out your game changer, which is the goal that's going to make the most positive impact in your life right now. And here is where you would write out some actionable steps to actually achieve that goal. And then you would insert these steps into your weekly layouts and your monthly layouts. Next up is your year at a glance, which, you guessed it, shows your year at a glance. So something to note though, the months that I said are in this planner that I'm demonstrating in are August through December of 2021. So whatever planner months are in here are going to be actually hyperlinked. So let's say I want to get to my August month at a glance layout. I could just click on it and it will lead me straight to that monthly layout. Another way to get to these monthly layouts, which is new because we used to have a month tab here in our 1.0 version. Now you can just click on these month tabs here and it will lead you straight to that month at a glance. And thereafter will be the weekly layouts. So your month at a glance. Of course, you can plan out all of the different events and appointments and meetings throughout your month, but we also have these great reflection prompts for you to fill out. So for example, what is your personal focus for this month? Or your work focus? Who do you want to see? Where do you want to go? What kind of things do you want to learn? We also have a space for you to organize the different personal and work projects for this month. So another thing to note is that all of the weeks in this month are actually hyperlinks. So if I wanted to get to my first week of August, I could just click on it and it will lead me to that weekly layout. So this is your weekly layout. Now, you can notice here that this is a Monday start, but we also offer this Sunday start. It comes with every digital purchase, just know that. And how this is set up is you have your weekly focus that you would write in here. And then this is a place for you to write all the good things that happen, because as I mentioned, we don't want to just get caught up in valuing only our productivity. We want to also reflect on all of our wins throughout the week, or time spent with loved ones, or memorable moments. Down here, we have organized, again, your personal to-do list and your work to-do list, which is also organized by top priority, priority, and errands. Now, each day has 30-minute time slots for you to organize all of your events throughout that day, or to-do lists and tasks. You'll also notice at the top left corner here, we have a thumbnail of the month, and the week that you're on will be highlighted. But a lot of people don't know this. These weeks are actually hyperlinked as well, so I can click on this last month and be led to that weekly layout. Now, this is new for the 2.0 versions. We actually added these different tabs up here as an easy way to also navigate between the weekly layouts for the month that you're on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and skip to the end of the month. So here we have your monthly reflection page, because what is goal setting without reflection? So we have a couple of different prompts for you to answer here before moving on and planning the next month. Like, what are the most memorable parts of this month? What are some lessons you've learned? Who are you grateful for this month? And then what are some things that you can improve on this upcoming month? Just know that at the top here, all of these months are actually hyperlinked if you want to flip back and forth between different monthly reflections to see your progress. You can also check the bottom of this right page here, and these highlighted words are also hyperlinked. For example, if I wanted to check my passion roadmap to check off all the things that I've actually accomplished this month, I can click on that there. If you want to get to those reflection pages, you can also click on this reflection tab down here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and let's go to the last month. At the end of the month, again, you have your monthly reflection, but after that, you also have an end of the year reflection page. And then after that comes your blank dot grid and sticker pages. So at the back of your planner, you have this blank tab with 16 different blank pages here, which are all tabbed. And the same goes for your dotted pages, your grid pages, and then your stickers page. This is where you put all your favorite stickers. This has 5 pages and tabs. Now, what's new about the 2.0 version is these actually have index pages now. Because what these pages are for is for you to duplicate any of these pages and insert them wherever you want in your planner. But an issue that could sometimes come up was that you would insert this somewhere into your planner and then you would completely forget where it was, and you might have some trouble finding it later. But with this, you can actually organize them, because within your index page, you can write out different categories. For example, if I'm in my dotted pages here, how I look at each tab and section is like a divider in a notebook. And so, for example, if you're big on bullet journaling, I like to put all of my bullet journal spreads, let's say, in the one tab here. And I would duplicate the one tab and put all of the different bullet journal spreads there. And then let's say in the next tab, I want to put all of my work notes here. And so for the second tab, I would make sure to duplicate these and just insert all of my work notes into there to easily find them later. Lastly, in your favorite sticker page, it's the same process. Let's say I wanted to put all of my washi under this one tab here. So I would write out washi and then insert them right here and duplicate these pages just specifically to cover all of my washi. And that about covers your planner. Now, there are a couple more secret hyperlinks that we've included in your planner, such as on this page. All of these are actually hyperlinked: this passion roadmap, your game changer, weekly layouts, and your monthly reflection. But I also want to make note of this page. So this page explains how you'll benefit from Passion Planner. But if you look at the bottom of this right page down here, we actually have hyperlinks for our support page, just in case you have any questions or comments you'd like to leave us. You'd click on this right here. You can also click this to get to our website, our Instagram, our Facebook, Twitter, and our YouTube channel. Now that covers everything about the planner itself. I'm going to now show you how I like to plan in this planner. And that concludes everything you need to know to get started in your weekly annual planner. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in a comment below. If you have any more technical sort of questions about the app or device that you're using, we do recommend that you go to that specific app or device's support page, as they'll be better able to answer those questions for you there.